welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's video, we're going to go over some amazing couponing deals that are going to help you to save a lot of money on laundry supplies. These are all Dollar General couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, September 16th. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, for today's question, I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know what is the most frustrating thing that you have found about couponing at Dollar General. I think this will be a really great opportunity for us to learn from each other and vent out our frustrations. Make sure you share this deal video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there, so I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. So let's get started with these deals. Now, this first deal is a great example of how important it is to make sure you double click on these coupons in the Dollar General app and verify what coupons are attaching. Because at first glance, you would not know that this $1.25 off all and Snuggle coupon also attaches to the Purex pack. So I was super excited to work it in today's deal to help you stock up on a lot of laundry pods. So for this deal, grab 1 bottle of Shout Stain Remover. Now, can I please say how incredibly frustrating it is that we never get coupons for Shout anymore? I would love to put it out to the couponing universe that we would really appreciate some coupons for this over the next couple weeks. Then grab 2 Dawn Power Wash refills, which, in case you know, is an amazing stain pre-treater for laundry. Awesome product. Then grab one of the 17-count packs of the Purex packs, 1 small bag of Gain Flings, and 1 small bag of Tide Pods. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.76 plus tax for a 52% off savings. That is a lot of laundry products for such a cheap out-of-pocket. For our next deal, if you love Tide Pods, this is a great deal for you. Grab 1 bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods, 1 bag of the Tide Power Pods, and 2 of the Mr. Clean Cleaners. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.40 plus tax for a 56% off savings. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know, hands down, other than the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer, one of my favorite go-to laundry cleaning supplies that Dollar General sells is this True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner. I stumbled across it accidentally about 2 years ago when I stepped into Dollar General to buy a tub of regular OxiClean because I was trying to deep clean my husband's shoes. They were nasty, y'all. And I knew that OxiClean was going to work great for it, but unfortunately on that particular day, they were completely sold out. But they had these tubs of the True Living OxiCleaner, so I'm like, I'll give it a try, especially since it was almost half the price of the regular OxiClean in the same size tub. So I'm like, I'll go on a chance. I grabbed it and it worked amazing. It worked just as good. So if you want to stock up on it, here's a great deal for you. Grab 2 tubs of those True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaners, 1 5-count pack of the Eric plug-in refills, and then 1 of the new Eric oil warmers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11 even plus tax for a 58% off savings. Now, I'm still surprised that these tubs of the True Living Oxy multi-purpose cleaner only cost $5. I'm telling y'all, this is such a great product. I highly recommend stocking up on it. Here's another great Tide Pods deal. So grab one bag of the Tide Power Pods, a small bag of the Tide regular pods with the Downy. Oh, they smell so good. And then grab one small bottle of Gain fabric softener and 2 of these Crest toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.65 plus tax for a 56% off savings. Speaking of my favorite Lysol laundry sanitizer, of course I had to work it into a coupon deal for this week. So grab one of those small bottles of Lysol laundry sanitizer, one medium Gain Fireworks, one small bottle of Gain laundry detergent, and one small bottle of Gain fabric softener. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.25 plus tax for a 51% off savings. Now I just want to make sure I mention here, if you want to get one of the larger size bottles of Lysol laundry sanitizer, you totally could. The $2 off coupon does apply to it. Just make sure you double check your math because of course it's going to raise the out of pocket by a couple dollars, but it's a really great size bottle and it will last you a long time. Here's a great deal if you want to stock up on the Tide liquid laundry detergent, especially if you're a fan of the original scent. I know there's a lot of people that are like, go-to original scent. So grab one small bottle of Gain laundry detergent, one of the Febreze fabric refreshers, and one of those big bottles of Tide liquid laundry detergent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.65 plus tax for a 50% off savings. Now, of course, when I first saw these Bounce dryer sheets coupons, I instantly knew I was going to try and work it into as many couponing deals as I could because this is a fabulous time for you to stock up for super cheap with these high value coupons. So for this next deal, grab 2 of the gallon-sized bottles of Clover Valley white vinegar. Now, in case you've never tried this, it is a great substitute for fabric softener. And I promise you, your laundry does not come out of the washer smelling like white vinegar. It's a great substitute. Then grab one of the 130 count boxes of Bounce Pet dryer sheets, a 50 count box of the Bounce Pet dryer sheets, and a medium Gain Fireworks. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $16.45 plus tax for a 45% off savings, which isn't bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the white vinegar. These next couple couponing deals are great ones if you want to stock up on the big bottles of Downy fabric softener while we have that great $3 off coupon for it. So for this deal, grab one of the bags of Tide Power Pods, a big bottle of Downy fabric softener for $12.95. Make sure you get the $12.95 one and not the $10.95 one or the coupon won't work. And then grab one Febreze fabric refresher. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $13.10 plus tax for a 51% off savings. And then we have this other Downy fabric softener couponing deal for you that is super beginner friendly because it only has 2 items in it. So you're really helping to set yourself up for success with a low out of pocket deal. So grab one of those big bottles of Downy fabric softener and a Eric Essential Mist starter kit. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $11.95 plus tax for a 54% off savings. Not bad when you consider we have $25.95 worth of retail product here. Whenever I do my laundry couponing deal videos lately, 2 of my favorite products that I like working into these deals is definitely the Clover Valley white vinegar and the hydrogen peroxide. Because like I said, the white vinegar is a great substitute for fabric softener, and the hydrogen peroxide is a really great stain remover for certain stains. So grab 2 of those gallons of Clover Valley white vinegar, 4 of the 16-ounce size bottles of hydrogen peroxide, 1 medium Gain Fireworks, 2 of these Crest toothpaste, and 1 of the new Eric oil warmers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.60 plus tax for a 49% off savings. Now, in case you're looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I'll have the information in both places for you for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list from week to week because I often write so many more couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this deals list will have anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. And I am super proud to tell you that not only did I break my personal record for the most amount of couponing deals that I've ever written for one individual week, I smashed that goal for you guys this week because, like I said, helping you save as much money as I possibly can means a lot to me. And this week's deals list has 170 couponing deals. Yeah, you heard that right, 170. I'm super proud of this week's deals list. I had so much fun with it. Now, this is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you either download it to your smartphone, you can download it to a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want because I keep all the categories of deals separated. And these all include major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking game deals because, of course, it's Dollar General. We love our game deals, right? We have toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care. We even have diaper deals, Tide deals, and a cheap out-of-pocket deals list. And for the first time ever, I even included a disinfectants couponing deals list because, you know, cold and flu season is coming and we got to be prepared. We don't want to get stuck having to pay full price for it, right? Because we don't pay full price here at LoveLiveSave. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Again, I'll have it down below in the comments and the video description for you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.